Welcome students, I am Pholodikari, assistant maths teacher of Bardhan Model School. Students, in this class we will solve sum number 4 of exercise 7.2 of the chapter triangle. This class belongs to class 9. So students, in the previous video we have solved the question number 3. Okay, now we will solve question number. The question is ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, on two sides, AC and AB are equal, so that triangle ABE and triangle ACF, they are congruent and AB equal to AC. In the previous sum we have solved just this type of sums, but there it is given that BE and CF, we have proved that these two are equal, and it was given that sides are equal, and we have to prove this one. In these sums, these are equal. We have to prove that the altitudes on that sides, they are equal. The sides are equal. Okay, student. So according to the question, ABC, a triangle, okay, BE and CF, BE and CF, two altitudes on the side AB and AC. Okay, so it is given that they are equal. So first proof angle A equal to angle A, because in the first we have to write the triangle name in triangle ABE and triangle ACF, ABE ACF, we have taken these two triangles. Okay, so it is obviously angle A equal to angle A. First of triangle ABE, ABE means one angle is A, and ACF, one angle is A. So A is the common angle in both the triangle. That's why A equal to A. Reason, common angle. Okay. Next, altitude means this is the altitude AD. That angle is 90 degree. So in case of triangle ABE, as BE is the altitude, this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, angle AEB equal to, in triangle AFC. Reason, both are, they are 90 degree. Okay, and two angles we have got. The another things, in triangle ABE, BE equal to CF, Why they are equal? Because their altitudes, and in the sums given that BE and CF on sides AP are equal. BE and CF are equal. Length of these two altitudes are equal. That's why we can write these are equal. Now BE equal to CF, because of their, it is given that these two are altitude of the two triangles, the triangles which we have taken, and BE and CF are the altitude of these two triangles. Okay, so according to this is S, A and A, so we can say that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF using the criteria ASA, angle side angle means angle side angle. Okay, again I am discussing the conditions, that angle A, this is the common angle in both triangle. AEB equal to AFC, because they are 90 degree, and CF equal to BE, because it is given in the question that that length of these altitudes are equal. Okay, so using ASA, these two triangles are congruent. This is our first proof. Angle ABE equal to triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. Now moving on the second part, that we have to prove question AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Students, we have already proved ABE congruent to triangle ACE. If we know that condition CPCTC. CPCTC means corresponding parts of corresponding triangles are equal. Okay. Now, in both the case, in triangle ABE, that angle E equal to angle F we got because they are 90 degrees. Because they are 90 degrees. Now, as these angles are equal, the corresponding sides of these angles must be equal. That is the theory of CPCT. Now, opposite side of E, AB, and opposite sides of F, AC. Opposite sides of E in case of ABE triangle, that is AB, and opposite sides of angle F of triangle ACF, that is angle AC, by CPCTC. Okay. Now, this we have proved, but one part, extra part is given, that ABC is an isosceles triangle. We know that isosceles triangle means the triangle in which any two sides out of three sides are equal. Any two sides are equal in length or equal in measure. Okay, then that triangle is called isosceles triangle. In triangle ABC, we have already proved that AB equal to AC. So we can say triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Why this triangle are ABC are equal? Because we have proved that these two sides are equal. What did we get that condition? These two sides are equal because we have proved that the triangle formed, that is triangle ABE and ACA are congruent, and one condition is there, that is angle E and angle F are equal. Angle opposite sides of angle E, that is AB, opposite sides of angle F, that is AC. That's why we can say that AB equal to AC, as AB equal to AC. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So students, in this video we have solved question number 4. This is the 10th part of or 10th video of the chapter triangle. In the next video we will solve question number 5. Thank you, students.